Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language with the Xiaomi Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. Okay, first of all, let me tell you whatever language you will have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you now will be always the same. So let's start. Just scroll down here and then you will have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it. So, and now you have to scroll down to the point. Additional settings. It is this symbol here, the gray circle with the 3 white points in it. Tap it. And now we will need the second point, languages and input. Tap it. And now we will need the first point, languages. Tap it. So now you can choose the language you want to have. And in some cases like here, in English, if we continue with our example, then you will have also some specific dialects. Maybe let's take now the dialect from India. Greetings, by the way. And now we have the English language with the dialect of India on our phone. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.